So OnePlus has officially announced some of the crazy specs for OnePlus 8T, and the rest of specs were already confirmed by trusted tipsters. OnePlus has finally made its way to the launch event for OnePlus 8T. Even they have announced the official launch date, that is October 14th. Display is the main thing from some new things which OnePlus announced recently. OnePlus just keeps teasing their OnePlus 8T, and now we have came to know almost all specs. OnePlus 8T will be having 6.55 inches display with 120Hz refresh rate. That's what we all already know, but now OnePlus has teased that this display will be the best one in the industry ever. This display will neither be the full flat 2D display nor the 3D one with curved edges, but this will be 2.5D curved display that is really amazing. So this is a really cool thing because a lot of smartphone users not like that fully curved 3D display, so it could be the best thing for them. More than that, OnePlus 8T gets A+ rating via DisplayMate, and this is really impressive. So OnePlus is just giving their all best to display on OnePlus 8T. So this leaked poster also confirmed a great thing, that you might get 3 customizable options in refresh rate like 120Hz, 90Hz and 60Hz. So nowadays in flagship we are getting options to switch between just 120Hz and 60Hz. A lot of devices lack 90Hz option. So this is another great thing to see from OnePlus. Here is the second most cool thing to see from OnePlus, and this is the 65 watts of super fast charging. So this time they will be using Type-C to Type-C cable, which is something really best because we can also use this charger then to charge MacBooks and some other stuff like that. OnePlus has claimed that this 65-watt charger can charge your smartphone to 58% in just 15 minutes and up to full 100% in just 39 minutes. That is just mind-blowing. So OnePlus is coming not slow. The battery will be 4500 milliamps in OnePlus 8T, which is just enough, not so great. Other stuff you might already know if you have watched my previous videos, like the camera setup which OnePlus is gonna copy from Samsung. Yes, it is more likely the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra's camera setup. As you can see that huge design of camera from this leaked OnePlus render. This camera setup might include quad cameras, which includes a 48 megapixel IMX689 sensor, which is a brand new sensor from Sony. The other sensors might be 16 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, 5 megapixel depth sensor and a 5 megapixel macro lens. At the front side there will be a single punch hole camera setup with 32 megapixel sensor in it. Now on the other side, Samsung has released their flagship smartphone with Exynos 990/Snapdragon 865, and this is also a cool device. This is Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. Now we will see that if Samsung can compete with OnePlus 8T or not. OnePlus 8T will be officially launching on 14th of October, so that's a bit far from now. That's all for OnePlus 8T. Do let me know your thoughts on this phone, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.